Hi everybody, it's Crystal. Welcome to my channel, Bagoday Crochet, where we talk about everything yarn and crochet related, and sometimes knit. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and look below. Everybody, new, returning friend, or if you're new, I do have a tutorial, or I have a link there, very first link, which will take you to all over my over 1,000 crochet tutorials, all for you, free to enjoy. So today I'm going to do just a quick yarn comparison, review, whatever you want to call it. So someone actually asked me to do this. I was not going to purchase this yarn myself, no particular reason, I just wasn't going to do it, but now that I was asked, I'm going to do it. So I had a chance to go over it and look at a little bit of it. So this is Sweet Roll Premier Sweet Roll Vivid. It's new from Premier. So we'll go ahead and read about it. It says that it's 174 yards, 160 meters, 3.5 ounces, or 100 grams. It is a medium weight number 4, 100% acrylic yarn. Machine wash, tumble dry. Okay, so they do have 8 different colors. This one's called Tetra. So you can see the striping yarn in a cake. This one is called Glowworm. This one is called Neon Signs. And then we have Moonbeam. And then we have Primary. We have Electric. And then we have Lava Lamp. Alright, so remember, I'm not affiliated with Premier, nor am I affiliated with any yarn company, so actually my opinions do not matter at all, but I was asked to do this review, so I am going, or do this review, so I'm going to do it. So these run at $5.99 at Premier.com, which is where I purchased them. As soon as I saw them, they bear a strong resemblance to a yarn that I'm very, very familiar with. Red Heart Super Saver Stripes. Yep. They're the same colors. Same colors. Actually, all of them are matched up to a Red Heart Super Saver Stripe, except for one, I believe. You could correct me if I'm wrong, but I'm pretty certain that they all are. So, this one is actually Polo Stripes, which is an exact match to their dragonfly color. But actually the Red Heart is more vivid in this particular color than this one. But this one's softer. Red Heart is a little stiffer than the Vivid. The Vivid, I gotta give it that. It is softer than the Red Heart. But as you can see, they're the same. So this one, what was I tell you, was Polo. They have this exact color in Red Heart stripes, parrot stripes. They have favorite stripes. All these are, if I think I'm getting them right, retro stripes. You can look them up. I think they all have a match. Maybe, except for this one. I'm not certain, but I'm pretty sure they're all, as far as color wise, the same as a Red Heart Super Saver Stripes, except for one. Some of them are brighter than Red Heart Super Saver Stripes, like this one, and then some of them aren't. So I say about half and half are maybe more vivid than the Red Heart Stripes, and the other half are not. Red Heart Stripes is more vivid than the Vivid. So that being said, why don't we talk about price? So we got the Sweet Roll Vivid at 174 yards for $5.99. And then we have a jumbo, a Red Heart Super Saver, which I can just go to my local Walmart and get, which is 5 or 10 minutes away, for $7.49. But it has 482 yards. So for $1.50 more, you're getting 308 more yards of Super Saver than you are the Premier Sweet Roll Vivid. Like I said, it is softer. Red Heart Super Saver, it softens up after the wash. It does. I mean, it does. And then it'll probably last 50 years longer as well. Now, don't get me wrong. I do like Premier. I like Premier yarns. A few of them. There's nothing wrong with this yarn at all. And I always recommend that you do not take my opinions to heart. It's just my opinions. I'm not saying anything bad about this yarn. It's very soft, nice yarn. But I'm just saying that if you're going to compare it to another yarn, because I was asked to compare, and it's a very good comparison, Red Heart's cheaper in the long run, and you get a lot more yardage. I mean, plus if you live near a Walmart, it's easier access. You know, you can just go in your Walmart and get it. These you have to buy online somewhere, and you have to buy enough to get free shipping, unless you have coupons. I don't even know where they're all sold. I just got mine at Premier, and I had to pay shipping because I didn't buy enough. I think I paid shipping to get free shipping. I can't remember. But anyways, but like I said, some of these are a lot brighter than the Red Heart stripes, and some of them are not. They're duller. So like you can see up close, the Red Heart it's brighter. It's more vivid than the Vivid. So that's just my personal thoughts on that. I like the yarn. I do. I think it's pretty. I think it's soft. I think it's been done before through Red Heart Super Saver stripes. It is more money than the Red Heart Super Saver stripes, and it does. When you're doing price versus yardage, it's more money. Even the smaller balls of Red Heart Super Saver, this is the jumbo, is less expensive with more yardage. You know, you can get the smaller balls too. That's jumbo. So, yeah, I'm certain that I have the unpopular opinion on this yarn review. But like I said, I'm not saying anything bad about it. And I always recommend you do, like I said, go buy one for yourself and give it a go. It could be the best yarn that you ever had in your entire life. I think it's very pretty. I like the brightness of this one. But, you know, me purchasing these, even because they have the exact same colors as Red Heart stripes, it being a little bit, some of these being a little bit brighter than Red Heart Super Saver, a little more vivid, warrant the 308 for $1.50 more and get 308 more yards. That's almost a whole nother regular size ball. It is. No, it doesn't. So like I said, I like it. Will I buy it again? No. I'm just going to make a trip to Walmart if I want this yarn and get the Red Heart Super Saver. It's just more convenient for me. But maybe you don't live near a Walmart, and it'd be more convenient for you to buy these. Again, it is softer. But I know this softens up after a wash. So, that's it. Thanks everybody for watching. Remember, please don't leave me no bad comments, because I know there's some diehard Premier yarn lovers. I'm not dissing their yarn at all. It's a nice yarn. It's pretty. It's soft. Some of them are more vivid than the Red Heart stripes, but they are all the exact same colors as the Red Heart stripes, except for one, I think. It is what it is. Bye, guys.